Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Mac OS and firmware levels because updates can change audio drivers. Once done, disconnect peripherals and power cycle the machine. That clears transient lockups. Make sure the charger stays connected for the SMC reset step, which fixes hardware-related audio controls. You'll also record current volume settings and any external audio device preferences so you can restore them. This combination addresses both software and hardware causes before moving into system-level resets and driver checks. Next, you target the software layer. Restart the core audio service to reinitialize drivers and active sessions because that often frees locked controls. Then update or reinstall audio-related kernel extensions and drivers. Make sure System Preferences shows the internal speakers correctly. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to disable third-party audio utilities and see if volume control returns. This isolates conflicts. While doing this, closely watch console logs for audio errors, since those messages tell you which component is failing. To finish, perform an NVRAM or PRAM reset to restore audio parameter defaults and clear misremembered hardware states. This often unlocks volume. Once complete, reconnect your peripherals and test with headphones, Bluetooth devices, and the built-in speakers to confirm control is restored. If you still see the volume locked, create a new user account to check for profile-specific configuration corruption. If the new account works, migrate settings selectively. One key troubleshooting tip. If nothing helps, boot from an external Mac OS installer to rule out internal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.